Evening all, Simon here with a little bit of technical anarchy from the deepest, darkest recesses of the workshop. Currently down the house at the moment because, well, the garage is a bit of a mess. We need to clean it out. There we are. Anyway, without further ado, the Range Rover P38 Motronic ECU immobiliser off has been cracked. It's been an ongoing project for over 12 months now, and thank you to Les Edwards of Classic Rise in North Wales for supplying the ECU. Just showing you there the label etc off it, so you can go and check part codes and whatever just to prove that it is actually a P38 ECU. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the usual diagnostic tests, and we'll just show you it working because there are no immobiliser fault codes. We're using a standard emulator there. We've got a little resistor stuck on the end of it there on the between the live and the output. That's because the on the Motronic one they've actually got quite a low resistance to ground on the pin, so we had to beef it up a bit and just add a little resistor in parallel just to get the signal to the correct level. Anyway, so let's do it. So we've got the Nanocom running, as you can see, and we're at 142 milliamps there, 12.8 volts. So we switch on the ECU, it goes up to 376, which is correct. And now let's go to the Motronic unit. And into Motronic again. And into fault codes. Here we go, loading, please wait. And we have a permanent voltage supply fault. That's nothing really, signals too low, that's nothing to write home about, that's because it's on the bench. And of course we have a CAN interface timeout because, well, it doesn't have a gearbox, and it doesn't have a gearbox ECU to talk to. And we have a transfer boxes thrown a mill because, well, it's quite simply not there. And of course, if we go any further than that, you can see there, you know, we have no more fault codes. I'll go back to the permanent voltage supply, which was the first one. And as you can see there, there's no more fault codes. So yeah, so the immobiliser is off via this wonderful little emulator. Took a while to crack, but we got there eventually. There we are. Okay, so we'll now start. We'll make the changes to the emulators and we'll get those off to my production people, and these will be in production very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.